beat shit, bitch. This that roller plane shit, bitch. I'm just talking shit. It's your boy Young Simba. Fancy your motherfucking seatbelts. Get this thing going. Put your headphones on. Let's fuck the AUX Cord, bitch. Yeah.
Everyone's a fucking wise guy, yeah. I be seeing all the side eyes, and these niggas spotted like tie-dye. Niggas be phony, I can't deny. Nah, been this shit, I'm not a pamper guy. And these niggas wishing they was half as fly. My weed louder than the gavel banging. Do you get it, boy? I'm Judge Matters high. She never chill with a pilot before. I do not wanna get high with this hoe. She on her phone and she sit by the door. She happy to meet me, then how would I know? She wanna suck me on, how should I know? She wanna suck me on, how could I blame her? Sucking on me, then she handle my mans. We real niggas and the species in danger, yeah. Shit, money get low and I'm taking your shit. Shit, that's me, you was begging for it. Young Simba, please come hit this lick. Retaliation ain't for faint of heart. Escalated, nah, eat a dick. We ain't cut from the same cloth. You a silk shirt for a bitch. Get your bill hurt really quick. Niggas Pee Wee Herman with the stick. Rock, paper, scissors for a cliff. Don't snitch, keep your mouth zipped. Shorty say my wood don't fit. You lying, babe. Treat it like furniture in the doorways. Turn it sideways. We can wrap it up like a conversation. Ease it in like insinuation. Never rap at the hospital cause the flow's sick. I could kill a patient. Money make the world around. A young nigga need a meal to make it. I could have on winter clothes and a young nigga gon' feel naked. Lonely at the top and my pocket's big bang. I need 12 rubber bands and an oxygen tank. We roll a plane at the top of the range. We put the flames to the top of the thing. And observe the picture my mind paints. It's like I'm sitting in the sky, but I ain't. I'm rolling J's, getting high like I'm about to faint. I'm on a track, lay it down like I'm about to plane. Niggas trying to tell me stop, but I can't. I've been nice on the spin cycle, I'm the cleanest. Make them bleed from the seam in the defense. These niggas weak cause hating is a defense. I'm the master of disaster, right? Crack the password to the game, bottom of the food chain. Got them cast with like an honor on the man. Cause like every time I catch them niggas trying to play me, I send them to Hades on a tandem bike. They the alligator, malice in the dirty paper. I'm serving niggas credit like waiters with bad behavior. Half-ass late, but fast cash. Laughing at the haters, always sucking paper, stalling, saying I'll be ballin' later. I ain't worried about them, I just dirt them when I out them. Just dirt them when I out them, I just dirt them when I out them. They ain't never mentioned me, I never heard about them.